Welcome to my new video. Today, in this video, I will share with you the best ways and resources to start learning the HTML and CSS programming language. You might be someone who is interested in learning this language, but doesn't know where to start or which resources to choose in this journey. In this video, we will comprehensively explore various learning resources, including books, online courses, and free tutorials. And we will also talk about web programming job markets. In the end, I have a request to you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video.
Start with HTML. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is a language used for structuring and creating elements for a website. A beginner-friendly resources like the W3 School website can be a good starting point. They provide comprehensive guides for all HTML elements, and you can practice with their examples. Continue with CSS. CSS or Cascading Style Sheets is a language used for designing the visual appearances of websites. With CSS, you can customize the colors, fonts, layouts, and other visual details of a website. To start, it's best to learn the principles and usage of CSS. W3 School also offers comprehensive tutorials for CSS that you can utilize. Practice. To reinforce the concepts you've learned, engage in practice exercises. Try building simple websites using HTML and CSS and customize them. Learning resources. Moreover, there are free or paid online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX that can assist you in achieve a deeper understanding of this language. Testing and updating. After grasping the basic concepts, practice by implementing them in real projects. Build your own websites or contribute to open source projects to enhance your skills. And stay updated with the latest advancements in HTML and CSS. Follow reputable blogs, forums, and newsletter dedicated to web development to remain informed about best practice and emerging trends.
If you only know HTML and CSS, your best bet is be a freelancer. Seriously, when you're a freelancer, all consumers care about is finished product. They don't care about how you did, okay? And maybe you can make and building some locals, restaurants and coffee shops websites, and maybe you can employ it in some companies, but don't remember it. You have to increase your skills about website developing, and don't forget to use YouTube for it, and don't miss Mosh and Army's videos. I'm Army now, say that. Army or Mosh, love you guys.